Hey guys, meet Beelink GT-King, the first Android TV box with Amlogic S922X CPU and Mali G52 MP6 GPU. Come with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, 2T2R dual-band wireless, Gigabit Ethernet, and 2 USB 3 ports. Alright, let's unbox it. As you can see, everything is nicely packed and protected. Some are covered with plastic. Rest assured that GT-King will arrive at your doorstep in perfect condition. First of all, here are the user manual in multiple languages and service info card. AC power adapter with the correct plug for your country. 100 to 240 volt support. Quality HDMI cable with a cable tie. And remote control that supports a mouse and voice control. Finally, here is the Beelink GT-King TV box itself. Decent build quality and compact in size. All the inputs and output are there for you. Overall, Beelink GT-King is running smoothly out of the box. A detailed review is coming up soon. Be sure to stay with me. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Peace.